Alright guys, so this is how you get your beautiful glass looking skin. Keep the middle of your face look mattified and it will literally look so beautiful. Look at that. Glowing skin. Simple and easy. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're hydrating your face, especially if it's been a minute since you've washed your face. After doing that, go in with your serum. My serum is the one from Exuviance. It's the Radiant Serum. Love this serum. After that, you want to do eye cream. Do not forget your eye cream. A lot of times people feel like it is not important, but it really is. The eye cream that I love is the Exuviance Daily Smoother. Next, go in with your sunscreen. The one I'm using, you've guessed it, is Exuviance. It has a little bit of retinol in it too, which I do love, but it also have that sun's protection. Alright, so I am applying the foundation from Estee Lauder. You notice it moves a lot, which means it's a pretty thin foundation. And anytime I apply my Estee Lauder, I like to buff in first. Cream blush, and I mean, you can do this with a brush if you want, or with your fingers, whichever is easier. And I'm just applying this above the... Take a beauty blender. It can be dry, it can be damp, whichever one. I do like a damp beauty blender because I feel like it blends out the product a whole lot, especially if the product is cream. You're gonna take the same color of the cream blush and apply that in a powder. So I'm going to take this, and as you guys can see, the products I'm using in this video is literally drugstore, except my foundation is high-end, but you can use a dewy foundation from drugstore too. It doesn't matter. I'm just showing you guys how to get that beautiful glow to your skin. So the next step that you want to do is to make sure that you, again, set it. First step. And always make sure you shake your setting sprays or any product that's liquidy that might be sitting for a little while. Shake them. Spray. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.